Okay guys, let's have a look at the 2011 art level question B2. Okay, so the question is a child's play structure. Okay, range of playground equipment consisting of an entrance here. Okay, toilet leading to a play area. Okay, which is a square in plan. So that's that red square on the question. Okay, 2011. Note the question you have in front of you. Draw the given plan and elevation, showing all lines of interpretation. Draw an end view of the structure. So the plan is, the elevation is going to be here, like that. That's the plan. And the end view is going to be here. Okay, so I started out by setting up drawing this square ABCD. That's 30 degrees there. So you just set up DC and AB are at 30 degrees, and then obviously BC and AD are at 60 degrees, and then that's 80, and they're all 80 there. Okay, when you draw this shape out here, so then I just brought them up to their height, whatever height they are in the plan. Is it 100 and 100? Yeah, 100. So that's just A, B, C, D are here. I haven't heavied it in because I haven't drawn the shape yet. And I just square myself up a little bit here. There we go. Okay, and then this shape here that you draw out to the left, I just called it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay, so that's up 75, that's up 90, and this is 40 across here. You get all the measurements from the drawing, and you bring them all the way across. You'll note in the plan here, you'll notice that the edge 1 here, okay, so this edge 1 is in line with edge D. Okay, so they meet right there. So we know that that's 20 that way and 20 that way, being 40. Well, we can go up 20 and down 20 here on our plan and draw an into there and stop, continue on here and draw out here. So that's heavy here. 1 is coincide with here, 2 and 2 and 3 is coincide here, so 5 and 4. These are just brought straight across. We are told that these go 30 beyond there. So that's 1, 2, 5 will be here. Sorry, here 2, 5, and this is 3, and this will travel in here somewhere and hit a surface here. All right. So that's basically the setup. The end view is the very same, A and B, so everything gets brought to the limit line here, which is the furthest point over. Okay, so the edge of it would be here. Okay, and just to show you that prism kind of comes in, I just draw it in a bit each way. Okay, and goes in somewhere this way. Okay, here, we don't know where it stops, so I don't heavy it in. Okay, so that's the outsides of the elevation, and they're brought down, and everything gets brought to this limit line here. So A ends up here, B ends up there, D is here as well as 1, and C is here, and then they're brought up at 45 to the XY line here, the XY line, and then brought up and then across from the elevation. That'll get you the outline of the shape, and we can draw that shape in here. So this shape ends up here. So 1 is here. Just line up. And that's straight across. Right, so 1 is going all the way across here, and if you look at it on the plan, it's there. So that is 1, edge 1, and it goes up, and then I just trace it across from here, and that's that. And you can kind of see it happening by itself. 5 is here, 2 is here, and then 3. Is that correct? Yeah, they're reversed. No, that's wrong. That's 2, and that's 5, and then that. Oh, I have this wrong around, so yeah, anyway, there the sides line up like that. Okay, there, 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 and there. Okay, so when you're looking from here, you can see the HD, so he goes straight down but stops there at 1. Okay, when you're looking here, B is hidden, so B just is a hidden line straight down like that. So that's actually the completed end view. Now let's figure out the left side here, the right hand side here. It's actually quite easy. So we're 5 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3. Where do they hit that surface? Well, they hit along the line BC. So I'm going to bring that straight up. And there is 2. And that's 3. Bring that up. That's put this wrong here. There's actually, as I draw it, 5, that's 4, that's 3, 3. And that's 2. It's technically then due from the other side. Doesn't really matter, but there we go. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So clockwise and this is anti-clockwise. Or anti-clockwise and clockwise. So that's 4 and that's 2. 3. Now, where does 1 hit? Surface BC up here, and it coincides with line 1 there. And where does 5 and 4 hit? Here. And there is 5 and there is 4. Now, when we're looking this way, we can not see the back edge, but we can see the front edge here. So we know that this goes from here to here, but then it's dotted inside here. Okay, could have done a better job of that. Trying to rush. Shouldn't be. We're at 5 minutes, we're not doing too bad. Okay. And that's dotted down there. And then this edge runs from here to there. And this edge runs from here to there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That's that. And then we can maybe in this B. B is solid, so it just goes straight to the ground. Okay. Check my solution. Yeah. So sorry, it's solid there. And go across the top. Alright, and that's pretty much that side worked out, except for there. Okay, so that's pretty much that side worked out to there. Okay, and now let's work out the left side. Okay, so 2, let's work out 2 here, 2 and 3. So we just bring them up. I mean, there's 2 and 3, so there's 2, 3 is here. Okay, and then 5 and 4, bring them up. There's 5, and there's 4, and this is where it's 1. So, whoops, straight up properly. So it actually stops it dead there. Now, we have to be careful here. Okay, so when we're standing looking here, we can see the line from 1 to 2, but because 5 and 4 are behind, we can't see them. So we can join 1 to 2. Do that. Okay, we can go straight down to 3. 3 then goes on the ground, so 1 to 2, and then 3 goes down this way to 4, so 2 to 4, and then 4 joins to 5, but it's hidden because it's the back. And there. And that then joint there. And A then you don't see A. So that's the hidden detail there as well. D just is heavy to there. This isn't like other questions where that's a solid, you know, there's no joining lines in here. This is a hollow on the inside here, so there's nothing there. Now, just to clarify things a little bit, I'll keep this video under 10 minutes. Let's just shade it in. It's red and green in the question, so let's just shade it in the actual colors. So let's get a green, and let's get a red. Okay, that one first. So the tunnel part in the question is green. So let's shade in everything like that green. And this is just for yourself so you can see what I'm talking about. So this bit is green. There, there. I'm doing a pretty quick job on this now. Okay. And here it is as well. And on this side. Okay. And this fella's red. Okay, I could do this a lot more elegantly, but I'm just going to do it quickly. So that's what the inner shape is. Obviously here on the end view. And that. And then this fella's green over here as well. And there we go. That's a completed intersecting solids question. So hopefully that color coding there helps you see that more clearly. Okay. Okay, we leave it out there. That's 10 minutes. Okay, I hope that helps you, lads.